The LGBTQIA++++ ideology is being pushed on children much younger than that under the banner of diversity and inclusion, and whatever nonsense they use to justify drag queen story time for toddlers. But some kids are fighting back. These school children from a middle school in Utah staged a protest because they say the principal isn't doing enough to protect them from furries. These are the kids who identify as cats and dogs and other animals, and apparently they're in the habit of biting and scratching.
They bite people. They will bite ankles.
And how do they bite your ankle? Why would they?
They walk on all fours, run down the hall.
They like scratch people. Unhook your shoes and then bite you. They scratch people. They bite people.
Pencil doesn't make them get in trouble.
Yeah. All the principal says is just be kind, be nice, be nice, and then.
What's the point of dressing up like a furry?
It's just, I don't know. They think they're so cool that they want to get
I think they want attention. So people can come at them and just look at them and think that they're so cool.
Okay.
Also,
Are you guys going to be in trouble for walking out of school today?
no, maybe.
If we go back on school grounds, we will get in trouble.
Hopefully not. We're standing for what the furries are wrong. This is wrong. They should not be
Do your parents know you guys are out here?
Yes.
Okay.
These poor kids are holding up signs saying they just want to learn. These kids say they are not only being terrorised by these furries pretending to be a variety of animals, but they also complain about double standards. They say they're not allowed to wear masks, even for Halloween, but these furries are wearing masks to school every day. And they can't just say anything they want to the furries, but the furries have free rein to intimidate the other students.
We're not allowed to look at them, go near them within like a 10-feet circle. Otherwise, the teachers will come and get mad at us.
Why do you think the principal hasn't put a stop to this?
Because her daughter is a furry and she supports it. And if we get bit or something, they get mad at us.
We get suspended, not even if they don't get to do anything, we get suspended.
There's a petition against the furries. It's already got 1,800 signatures. There was 1,800 signatures late last week. But the school district says these kids are just making up stuff. Their claims are unfounded. There is no scratching and biting and other tomfoolery, and that we expect all students to be respectful towards each other while we are here at school. Nice sentiment, but this is the same school district that last year gave students disgusting insects to eat as part of an English assignment on climate change, claiming it would save the environment. So, yeah, I'll just reserve my judgment there. Let's hear from a member of the furry community. Strudel is her name, and she's not happy with the kids damaging the good standing of the furry community.
You know, the next generation kind of muddy our name and not represent it very well. It is kind of disappointing.
Hilarious. And here is more indoctrination. Here is a video fourth graders were shown in Georgia that is supposed to show the importance of tolerance for dogs that think they're cats.
I like to clean my paws like this. Can you clean your face too? Yeah. Or